Hello and welcome back to How To. I will quickly show you how to get your software working with your H9 action camera. If you bought a camera like this and the software you got with it isn't working, I will show you what to do. It's actually quite simple. You just have to download another application. This is the app that is provided with the camera, Easy iCam. For me, this didn't work and I had to make another plan. The issue I was having was that the phone couldn't see the camera. So if you can't get your camera connected to your phone, this is what you need. You download this app. You will have to download the local file, which is an APK file. You copy that into your phone and you just install it. The Elicam software will work. You will be able to connect your phone to the camera and view the camera screen on your phone. Here is a demonstration on the phone itself. I will post the links to the software in the description. I would like to thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.